Hey girl family, what's up? It's White KK Rahim. Today I had got a new ring light. So that come in email this morning and I'm unboxing it for you guys. The ring light had enough foil from my pair and plus the cord had a short in it. So it wasn't really working. So thank you so much for the intro. So without further ado, let's get into this video. We have the instructions. Or stop the comments. We try for it. This is the light. I think this is the remote to take off pictures, I believe. So like, let's go to Bluetooth and camera setup. So let's press here and take a picture. This is the remote for the ring light. Oh, there's another thing to hold up the phone with. I think we get 2 minutes. We get 2 minutes. So one here, one phone can start here and our next phone will be here. Oh, and then this is a small tripod. Like this is small tripod. Feel like one large desk or something, so have this real quick. That's it.
Right now I showing you wrong part. This part is the LED ring light go higher or lower. Now this part was screwing is letting ring light fall frontwards, backwards or sideways. See, like that.
Then we need to connect the wires. Think the plug on the wire, doing the wires.
Now here that's playing up with the remote and testing it out a bit. This part is called disco.
Then on the ring light itself, it have 3 buttons which can change the settings. Then I put the ring light on the smaller tripod. Okay, so this is ring light on small mini tripod. I can't be using this one because I'll mostly be here filming for YouTube. I'm mostly using this small tripod more than the big one. So let me switch ring lights. Right, so this is on the next the 12-inch ring light. I'm gonna change the, let's make it warm, cool, and white. You opening my 12-inch ring light. Hope you guys enjoyed my Instagram and other social media will be right here and down in the description. So please make sure to subscribe, like and share this video. Bye guys and see you next time. Peace.